Hello friends, thanks for clicking to this video. Welcome back to my channel. And in our previous lesson we learned emotions vocabulary part 1, 2, 3. But this time we are going to learn word replacement to replace those common boring words by using some alternatives which makes you sound more smart and advanced. So replace those very common boring words by using those alternatives which we are going to learn today. Let's get started. So our first word is angry. Angry. You can replace this word angry by using the word offended, bitter, irritated, cross, and furious. So furious is a word you can replace with angry. When you are really angry, you can use I'm furious. I'm furious to see that you have broken the glass. So I'm furious. I'm really very angry. And you can also say she get offended. She get offended because you told her that she's not looking good, or he get offended because he told him, he abused him, and he got offended. So instead of saying he got angry, you can say he got offended. Or you can also say cross. You can also say irritated. So irritated means don't irritate me, so don't make me angry, so don't irritate me, just go and leave and let me do my work. Okay, so this is how you can just replace the boring word angry by using those words like offended, bitter, irritated, cross, or furious. Okay, next is very common again, is the word other. So other is the most common word which everyone is used that many times. So you can replace other by saying alternatives, by using further, by using different. So instead of saying do you have any other option, you can say do you have any alternative. Or this is maybe you write a story, this is the first part, this is the second part, and you say this is the first part and this is the other part of story. So instead of saying this is the other part of story, you can say this is the further part of story. So this is the next part of story, which means. And difference, so you can say is there do you have any other solution, you have any different solution, because I don't think it's going to work. So we have different solutions, different options, instead of just saying other options or other solutions. Okay, next is answer. Most of the time children, youngsters, everyone is using this word answer. So give me an answer, I'm waiting for your answer. If you texted someone and they didn't reply you just texting back them and saying please answer, I'm waiting for your answer. So instead of just saying answer, you can use the word solution, you can use the word explanation. Maybe you can use for some problem we get in trouble, and do you have any solution for this, do you have any explanation? So do you have any answer how to solve this question? So do you have any solution how to solve this question? You have any explanation? So this is how you can replace the word answer and use solution, use explanation. In texting, in the case of texting, you cannot say just give me a solution. If you're asking for someone's suggestion, then you can ask them that give me an explanation, I'm waiting for an explanation, I'm waiting for you to give me a solution, instead of saying answer. Okay, next word is more. So instead of saying more and more, you can say incremental or additional or greater. So we have a more content related to this channel. So we have greater content related to this channel. Maybe greater word, it's not sounds very similar to more, but it is. You can replace the word more by using greater. So we have greater content, we have more news about this, we have more channels, we have greater content on this topic. This is how you use. And you can also say incremental. In this lockdown, we are conducting incremental tests. So in this lockdown, because of corona, we are conducting more tests. So instead of saying more, you can say we are conducting incremental tests. Okay, so this is what this is how you can replace the word, most common word, more. And the next is, maybe you already know how to replace. This is the word is nice. We all the time use nice. I use many times this word nice, and sometimes I try not to use this most common word nice. So instead of saying you look nice, you can say you look attractive, you look charming, he looks attractive, he looks charming. And you can also say it would be very nice if you come here. I feel very delighted if you come here. So this is how you replace the word nice by using delighted, delightful. Or you can say this house is lovely. Instead of saying this house is looking nice, you can say this house is lovely, it's beautiful. And you can also say polite. So someone who is nice, so instead of saying that person he is very nice, she is very nice, you can say she is very polite, he is very polite. So you can replace the word nice by using these words: attractive, charming, delightful, polite. Okay, and next is most common again is, this is the word hard. We all the time this is very hard to do. I can't do it because it's very hard. It's in this exam, last time the exam of intermediate board exams are very hard, so you can use that. Those exams are very challenging. There are very challenging exams, so it's very difficult to solve those problems. Those problems are challenging problems. So instead of saying hard, you can replace hard by saying challenging. Or you can also say demanding. Or difficult is already in your list, because most of the time we always use difficult. So instead of saying hard, you can say difficult, or you can say demanding. So something which is very hard to do, so this is very demanding, this is very difficult to do. This is how you replace this word hard, by using the word challenging, by using the word difficult, by using the word demanding. Okay, so this is how you use these words, these alternatives, word replacements, by using these new words, and just replace those common boring words. Do not always say angry, other, answer, more, nice, hard. Just remove these words from your vocabulary and add some new words to make your conversation more interesting. Okay guys, this is it for today. We will see more words replacements in next lesson. Until then, take care. Bye bye.